Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic challenge, and here we have a plus b equals to 6 and a times of b equals to also 6. So here we find the value of a and the value of b. So in order to find the values of a and b, here we call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So here from equation number 1, so from this equation we first find the value of b and we move this a to the right hand side and we get b equals to 6 minus a, and we call this as equation number 3. So now we substitute the value of b in equation number 2. So here we put the value of b in equation number 2. So when you put this value in equation number 2, so our equation number 2 implies that a times of b, and our b equals to 6 minus a, and this whole equals to 6. So here we simplify this equation and we convert this equation into the standard quadratic equation. So here first we multiply this a on both of these terms and it will be written as 6a minus a square equals to 6. So after that we move all the terms in the left hand side to the right hand side and it will becomes a square minus 6a and plus 6 equals to 0. So this will becomes a quadratic in a, and now we easily find the factors of this equation. So here we use the quadratic formula in order to find the factors of this equation. So here first we write the coefficients of this equation. And we have the coefficient of a square is denoted by capital A and it is equals to 1, and the coefficient of small a equals to minus 6 and we denote it by capital B, it is minus 6, and the constant term is denoted by capital C and it is equals to 6. So we know that the quadratic formula will be looks like in the form of a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And now here, in order to find the value of a, we substitute all these constant values in this equation and we get the value of a equals to minus b, and the value of b is minus 6 plus minus, sorry, this is the our capital B and capital A and capital C. Sorry, this is also capital because we denote our coefficients by capital ABC because of we already use the small a. So distinguish this small a, we use the capital letters. So we have the value of capital B is minus 6 and it will becomes minus 6 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 6 and its whole square root divided by 2 times of a is equals to 1. And now we easily simplify this equation, and here you have minus times of minus becomes plus 6 plus minus square root of 6 is 36 minus 4 times of 6 becomes 24 and its whole square root divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now in the next step we just subtract 36 minus 24 and it will become 6 plus minus 36 minus 24, it is equals to 12 square root divided by 2. And now here we write this square root of 12 as 6 plus minus square root of 12, and we write it as 4 times of 3 and this whole divided by 2. And now if you focus on the square root term, and here you see that the square root of 4 equals to 2, and here we write the 6 plus minus, so the square root of 4 becomes 2 and the square root of 3 becomes square root of 3 and this whole divided by 2. And now here we separate these terms and we get a equals to 6 over 2 plus minus 2 times of square root of 3 over 2. So here you have 2 3s are 6 and these 2 and 2 are cancelled by each other, and we get the value of a equals to 3 plus minus square root of 3. So we write this value of a in two cases. So first is our positive value, it is a equals to 3 plus square root of 3, and its negative value is a equals to 3 minus square root of 3. So now we substitute the value of a in equation number 3, and this is the our equation number 3. It is b equals to 6 minus a, and we put the value of a here. So first we copy down the equation number 3. So our equation number 3 is b equals to 6 minus a. So we substitute both of these values of a in this equation, and here we have b equals to 6 minus a. So the value of a is 3 plus square root of 3. So we first put the positive value in this case, and we'll put the negative value in this case. We have b equals to 6 minus a, and in this case our a is 3 minus square root of 3. So now in the next step we multiply this in negative sign on both of these terms, and we write it as 6 minus 3 minus square root of 3. And here we have b equals to 6 minus 3 will be equals to 3 minus square root of 3. So here we get the value of b equals to 3 minus square root of 3, when we have the value of a is 3 plus square root of 3. And similarly here we get the value of b is 6 minus, we multiply this minus on both of these terms, and we get minus 3 plus square root of 3. And here you get b equals to 3 plus square root of 3. So this is the second value of b. So we get the value of b according to this value of a. So that here we have two solutions. So our first solution, or the value of a b are, so according to this case we have the value of a is 3 plus square root of 3, and the value of b is 3 minus square root of 3. So this is the first solution, and in this case we have the second solution is written in this form: 3 minus square root of 3 the value of a, and 3 plus square root of 3 be the value of b. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.